Another thing we should say when something upsetting happens, when there's loss, we experience loss, we should say, Inna lilahi wa inna ilayhi rajioon. Indeed, we belong to Allah, and indeed to Him we will return. Keep repeating these words. Inna lillahi wa inna ilayhi rajioon. Because we belong to Allah. His will prevails over us. He decided that I should experience such and such loss. He decreed that I should lose this person or I should lose this thing in my life. He decreed that. I belong to Him. And He is allowed to make that decree, of course, because He is the owner. And I am going to return to Allah. I'm not going to just live on my own and just be there. No, I have to die. I have to return to Allah, and He will show me the consequences of my actions, my choices, my words. So in hope of good reward, I am going to be patient right now. I am going to be pleased with Allah's decree.